So guys, just take a look at this money that I have earned last week with the help of this method, guys. It is a really good method. Not a lot of people know about this, and you can be one of the first guys to use it as well, guys. So hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. First of all, you can use clickbank.com, you can use yazing.com, or you can use Digistore24. I like Digistore24 because they have a lot of reviews on Trustpilot, and just take a look at this, 4.7 out of 5. This means that a lot of money is in there, and you can see that by a lot of people who are leaving these great comments here. So people really like it. They're satisfied, they make a lot of money, and you can make a lot of money as well if you just involve yourself in this strategy. And guys, you will not believe how easy this is. And of course, it works all around the world. So you can live in Brazil, you can live in Mexico, India, Philippines, wherever you live, you can get yourself a lot of money, just like these people on Trustpilot are. So what you want to do when you come on Digistore24, just click on this beautiful button, register now, okay? So you can profit from Digistore24 too if you just click here on affiliate, because that's what we're gonna do. This strategy will make you a lot of money, guys, if you just apply yourself, if you follow the steps and you just repeat them, okay? So what you want to do is you just want to complete this simple information about yourself. That's gonna be easy. That's gonna be pretty much self-explanatory. Name, country, username, email, whatever. So you can go and you can enjoy these commissions up to 85%. Now, 85% is a great commission, guys. So out of each $100 on this website, you are getting $85 for yourself just by following this strategy. And that's gonna be a lot of money, guys. Weekly payouts, you have a lot of this money here. So when you make yourself a brand new account here, which is of course free to make, just go on Marketplace over here where you can find a lot of these products. Now there's a lot of money here waiting for you. You just need to grab it. Look at this, guys. On the left hand side here, you have a lot of these products, okay? So you have fitness and health, you have fashion, family and kids, you have hobby and handcraft, you have home and garden. There are a lot of these products which are just waiting for you to do them, okay? You can see these commissions. For example, this Garden Freedom micro course. This will give you $37, guys, on each of those sales, and it's gonna be really easy, guys. Just take a look at this. You have 60-day cookie. So this means whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link, which you will get when you click on promote now, this is your link, and now you have to just share it and get a lot of traffic for it. But this 60-day cookie means that whenever someone clicks on your link, it doesn't have to be sold for 60 days, guys. So 60 days, your link is staying tracked. That cookie is tracked, so you can make money whenever that person in the span of those 60 days buys it, okay? So 60 days can pass, and then that person can buy it and you will receive this commission. So the good thing is that people don't need to buy this right away. So whenever they click on your link, they have 2 months to buy it, and then you are getting these $37, okay? So this is like a Garden Freedom micro course, and there is a good traffic for this kind of niche, okay? There is also this one, caring for your lawn. So if you are mowing your lawn, this is what you'll need. And a lot of people are mowing their lawns, guys. You can get $10 for each one of those sales, but of course, choose this one because it gives you $37 on each of those sales. And everyone want to go and they want to just learn about that gardening today, because there is not a lot of food in the world today, so we will have to garden ourselves soon. But more about that in the next video. Let's now focus on how to get money with this strategy. So as I've told you, you can just copy this link into your clipboard, and now we have to gather a lot of traffic for it. That's how we get paid. So hit that subscribe button if you like this method. Thank you. Now what you want to do is you want to go on Google and you want to tap in Google's search bar gardening forums, okay? This is how you're gonna find a lot of that traffic for that money. So you can see, for example, there is top 10 gardening forums here. So there are already 10 of these forums laid out for you. You just have to search for them. So there is gardening forums, garden guides, Dave's Garden, Garden Stew. So I suggest that you go and visit each one of these. You can see these people, they're happy with their products, but they need help. They will need this micro course. If they're beginners, guys, they will need this like food, you know? All of these people are gathering on these forums for a reason, guys, and that's why they're gonna decide to buy that product, because they will need it. They want to learn about gardening. They want to learn how to grow their tomatoes, their potatoes, their onions, you know, and that's why they're gonna buy that product of yours. That's why they're gathering here. So enter in all of these forums, for example, and now what you want to do is you want to just involve yourself into some general gardening talk, into some landscaping, and you can see lawns. This is perfect forum for this product, caring for your lawn. And for example, I of course suggest you that you take both of these. So for example, for this lawn, you can just take that link and you can just go in here and you can just engage with these people, okay? So people are gonna ask certain questions here, okay? So those questions need to be answered. And what are you gonna do? Well, you're gonna paste your affiliate link in there, telling people that you know how to perfectly mow your lawn. This product has all that these people need. In a way, you're actually helping people to take care of their lawns. They're gonna be beautiful, green, and really good looking because they're gonna use that product. That's something what you want to write in those comments that you're gonna put in here, okay? So you're just gonna tell people that it's a great product, that they can take care of their lawn easier, so they're gonna go and buy that product. $10 is what you're gonna get per each of those sales, and just imagine, guys, that in the course of 1 month, you sell like 50 of these. Now, that's like $500 for you, and that's a lot of money, guys. $500 for you, just like that, just for sharing that link. That's some nice money if you ask me, and all that you have to do is you have to engage with the people here. But of course, there are some fruits, vegetables, herbs, trees, perennials, roses, indoor plants, other plants. There are a lot of these people here. And this was only one forum, which is called the gardening forums. For example, this is Moosey's Country Garden, and there's a lot of people here as well. You can see this is a different layout here, so you can just go and involve yourself here as well. The important thing is that you just involve yourself. You have to contact people, and these people here are waiting for that, because there's no other reason people would visit these forums if they don't want some help, if they don't want some products just like these in order to help them with their garden, okay? But of course, guys, you don't have to stick to gardening courses and something like that. You can involve yourself with social media, with software, with fitness and health. Fitness and health is a good niche as well, because there is a lot of traffic for this niche as well, because there are a lot of people who want to lose that weight. It's summertime, you know, everyone want to get that physique, good looking body. So you can just propose to them to use these keto desserts instead of those sugary ones, so they will lose weight, and you will get $5 for each one of those. But this is low amount of money. Just take a look at this one, $28 per each one of those sales, and that's what I'm talking about. Just go and take that action, and I will catch you later.